Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm explaining how to schedule email in classic Outlook. So for that we have just opened our Outlook option and we'll go to the new email section and we'll try to compose one test email. For example, one of the email we have. So as you have seen, there is no schedule option or anything in the sent. You can only directly send the email. But let's see how we can do this one. So for that, after you compose the email, go to the options in the menu bar, and you can see on the right side delay delivery. Click on the delay delivery. And here we have a lot of options which we can schedule, but what we are considering today is scheduling the email or delaying the email. So what I need, actually, I don't want this email to be sent before 12th May around, say for example, 1:30 p.m. I don't want this email to be sent before 1:30 p.m. tomorrow, which is 12th May, and after that just close this one. And now what I can do, I can just send it. So what happens, it will go to the Outbox and it will stay there till that particular time is reached. It will stay in Outlook and in Outbox as per our scheduled time. So hope you understood the video. That's how you can do this in classic Outlook. In new Outlook you have the schedule option directly. We'll show you in another video when we are going to have a tutorial on the new Outlook. Hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.